today we're gonna open these LEGO Minifigure Play-Doh surprise eggs. This egg is special because there's one of these characters goes with this LEGO vehicle. We're gonna open it after we open these. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna open the purple surprise egg. Okay, let's take the guy off. Let's take the plate off. Ooh, it's cold. Okay, we got a purple surprise egg. Okay, we got Caveman Batman. Okay, next. We're gonna do this teal surprise egg. Okay, now let's take this off. Now let's take the Play-Doh off. Okay, open it. Okay, we got 3CPO. Okay, we got this one. He looks happy. Okay. Now let's take this. And this is the color of the egg. Okay, now let's open. Okay, we got a baby blue color. Ooh, we got Rocket Raccoon. We got purple and blue swirl. Okay, let's open it up. We got Frozone. Here's his ice gun. And then here's his gun. We got orange and pink. Here's the color. And then we got cerulean color. Ooh, we got Dorothy. Oh, we got a yellow surprise egg. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. Ooh, we got a yellow surprise egg. Who do you think it is, guys? Oh wait, let's open it. What is it? Homer! Here's Homer. Okay, now we got red and blue. Let's open it up. Okay. Ooh, we got baby blue. Okay, guys, who do you think it is? Comment down below. I think, I don't know. We got Scarecrow from Wizard of Oz. Okay, we got blue and purple. Galaxy color. Okay. Ooh, we got white. Here's the white. Now, who do you think it is, guys? Who do you think it is? The Joker from Batman, LEGO Batman. Here he is. Okay, guys, who do you think I should pick? You pick that one? Okay, let's try this one. Okay. And it's the orange is red. It's like sunset color. Here it is. Now let's open it. We got a yellow one with orange swirls. There it is. Who do you think it is, guys? It's Emmett from Lego Movie 2 or Lego Movie 1. Okay. Now, which one do you think I should get next? This one? Okay, we got blue and green. Okay, now here's the A. We already know what it is. Let's open. We got dark blue. Yeah, let's open it. Oh, it's Harley Quinn. Here she is. Okay, who do you think I should get next? Ooh, you want me to get this light pink? He's licking his tongue. He's like, cute. It's a really light pink. Okay. Ooh, this is a light pink. This is like a dark-ish light pink. Okay, who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? It's Leonardo from Ninja Turtles. Okay, who do you think I should open next? This light green? Okay. Okay. Ooh, we got a light green. It's like that pink, but just green. Okay. We got Robin from LEGO Batman. No, I still don't have any guesses, guys. If you do, just comment down below. Now, which one do you think I should open? This one? The pinkish orange, okay. She's laughing again. Okay, here's the egg. And now we have that another pink. That's really pretty. If you're a girl, you probably like this color if you're watching this video. Okay, who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? Batman from LEGO Batman, Rockstar Batman. Here he is. Okay, who do you think I should open next? This light orange? Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, we got it like that light orange, like the green and pink, but just orange. Like a smoothie color. Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? It is the Pumpkin Master from Spider-Man. Okay, who do you want me to open? This purple? Okay, let's open it. He looks mad. He's like, okay. We got baby blue. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, we got the kitty. Here's Unikitty. From Emmett. Lego Movie 2 or Lego Movie 1. Okay, we have these two left. Who do you want me to open next? Okay, let's open it. Okay, it's an orange, dark orange. We got a yellow egg. Okay, who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? It is Lego Ninjago. What's his name? Blue Ninja. He's a blue ninja. Comment down below if you know this character, Blue Ninja. Okay, let's open this yellow green. Let's open it. Ooh, we got another green. Okay, here's the green. We got Green Goblin. Okay, let's open this green. Okay, here's green. Now let's open it. This has yellow and green. Here it is. Now, who do you think it is? We got Frosty the Snowman. Here's Frosty the Snowman. Okay. Now, who do you think we should open? This one? Okay, let's open this one. The cop again. Okay, here's the light pink. Now let's open it. Okay. Yellow and pink. Who do you think is in here? Let's open it. We got Black Widow. Here she is. Now, from Avengers. Okay. Final 3. Who do we should open? This one? Okay, we're opening this one. He's like, Like, he doesn't know what that means. Okay, now, here it is. Purple, red, and blue. We got cerulean color. Here's the egg. Now, let's open it. We got Emmett! Okay, now Omega movie. Okay, who do we should open? Final 2. This one? Okay, we're opening the teal. Okay, now let's open it. Here's the color. Now we got blue. Here it is, white. Now we got, I forgot this guy's name. He has a wrench and he loves spaceships and he's pink. We have him, he's blue. This is both of them, if you know who they are. Okay, last egg. Now let's open the last egg. Now, 3, 2, 1, go. We got Spider-Man. Here he is. This is the last person. Now comment down below if you know what person is for the surprise one. Oh wait, these are all the people we got. Now, one of these characters is for this egg right here. And there's a vehicle in here. I think it goes for Spider-Man. Here's Spider-Man. It could be Rocket Raccoon, or it could be Blue Ninja. And those are the only 3 I think it is gonna be. My official guess is Spider-Man. Let's see what the one is. I'm so nervous. In 3, 2, 1, go! I got it right. Comment down below if you guessed it, Spider-Man. Okay, let's see what it can do. Well, it looks like you could put like a bullet in here. Like put it right here and shoot it. And like this. And then you can move. The steering wheel can move. I can't believe I got it right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put him on the motorcycle. Need one more hand. Okay, he's on. Yeah, we can do this. Guys, can you believe it that I saved Spider-Man for last and then I got it right? That was crazy. I surely didn't know who it was for. And that's our LEGO surprise day. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!